Welcome to Robert Bellissimo at the Movies, where we explore all things cinema. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on 3 recent releases from IMPRINT Films, who are also known as Via Vision. So let's jump right into it, shall we? First one I have here is Mr. Jones with Richard Gere. Here's our front, and here is the back. Haven't seen this film, but it looks pretty interesting. This is spine number 538. Here's the side. Let's take a look at the inside here. Nice cover. I actually never heard of this film, but I love Gere, so here's the back. If you want to take a screenshot of the synopsis to read it, go ahead, right ahead. I've always loved Richard Gere. Anything he's in, I'll definitely watch. Here's the front. Here's the sticker on the inside on the disc. At the inside, another image. If you've seen this film, comment below. Let me know what you think of it. That's the first one up. After that, 3 into 2 won't go. There's our cover. This is with Rod Steiger, Claire Bloom, and Judy Geeson. Judy Geeson. I love this really, really nice cover. This is spine number 563. Here's our back. Again, if you want to take a screenshot to read the synopsis, take a look at the inside. Again, this is another film I haven't seen or I haven't heard of either, but also really compelling. This is what's so great about IMPRINT, is that their packages are so compelling, they make you want to buy all the movies. Even if you haven't heard of them or seen them. This looks pretty. I love Rod Steiger. It's the inside. I'm looking forward to this one, actually. And lastly, there's the man himself, Steiger. Really, really good. Looking forward to that one. And last on our list, Up the Junction, directed by Peter Collinson. Here's our front cover. Here's the back. Again, this is spine number 565. It's another film I haven't seen. I'd heard of it, but I haven't seen it. I'm looking forward to this one as well. Again, spine number 565. Take a screenshot if you want to read the synopsis. See inside with the sticker. Pretty compelling. Beautiful artwork. And lastly, I'll just pop out the disc. And there's our inside. So here's 3 new releases from IMPRINT Films that are beautifully packaged and look really, really good. So I'm looking forward to seeing these movies. If you've seen them, comment below. Let me know what you think of them. Or if you've purchased these releases from IMPRINT, comment below. Let me know what you think of these new Blu-rays from IMPRINT. They look absolutely wonderful. I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing review. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing by pressing the Robert Bellissimo at the Movies logo. You will see it floating above my head in the top left corner to your top left. In just a second, just click on that, and then click the bell in order to get a notification every time I release one of my new episodes. It is absolutely free to subscribe. I want to thank all of my members on Patreon. If you are interested in becoming a member of my Patreon, I'd really appreciate the support. Please go to patreon.com/Robert Bellissimo at the Movies for full details. Thank you again, everyone, for watching, and I will see you all in the next episode.